Ooh, I hear you. You're
at now, currently.
Yeah.
Frick, I didn't start recording whenever we jumped on, so now we're on better audio.
Yeah.
I don't even know if they can freaking see me.
When you swallow, I
Yeah.
hear it
I
go
know.
down your gullet, down to your stomach.
Do you hear that buzzing? That low tone in the back?
I do.
Yeah, I'm going to be talking. And then...
A new laugh I'm trying to.
Oh, it's Brazilian butt lift. That's what it is. But I said big booty Latina. When the frick was that, dude? Because I do not remember that.
Well, that was king of deception,
King
dude.
of deception.
I literally fool everybody.
Dude,
easy
real,
to say,
dude, real talk. Oh God. Oh, you can still hear me clear? I'm standing up.
No freaking
You
way. I really have to pee.
Okay.
Season 3 coming soon.